On 22nd April 2025, a terrible terrorist attack happened over my land, over the heaven of my nation, Kashmir, the Pahalgam terrorist attack. The whole nation was mourning. We all were unable to process that what exactly happened. And at that very point, the BJP Chhattisgarh X account shares a Ghiblified post quoting "Dharma पूछा जात नहीं याद रखेंगे." And ladies and gentlemen, after watching that post, I was again convinced that no matter what, these politicians, the people related to these political parties, will always be busy in their third-class, cheap and dirty politics. They don't give 2 cents about our feelings and emotions. Well, after this deadly terrorist attack, we launched the Operation Sindoor targeting the Pakistani terrorist hubs. We also suspended the Indus Water Treaty of 1960 with immediate effect, and we also suspended the visas of the Pakistani national. All the celebrity account of the Pakistanis were banned. They are still banned, by the way. And now, my friends, just after the 4 months of that deadly terror attack, we are all set to play a cricket match with the Pakistan on the coming Sunday. Mind you, this is going to be India's first meeting with the Pakistan after Operation Sindoor. Now, let me tell you the detailings which inspired me to talk about this incident. On 11th of September, few people reached to the Supreme Court with the PIL seeking the cancellation of India-Pakistan Asia Cup, saying that the India playing match against the Pakistan so soon after the Pahalgam terror attack would be an insult to this nation, and also it could belittle the sacrifices of our soldiers and the civilians who lost their life in the Pahalgam terror attack. Now, in response, the court cancelled the PIL, saying that the match must go on. On the other hand, similarly, Kapil Dev, one of our former cricketers, clearly said that the team is very good. Indeed, it is. And he has also urged fans and commentators to keep all the political tensions aside and let the players focus on their game. Sunil Gavaskar has also urged fans and critics not to target the players as it is a big assignment. In short, most of the people are just advocating for this match. No grudges, no problem. Well, let me tell you, friends, that there were heavy slogans by our PM during the time of Operation Sindoor कि खून और पानी एक साथ नहीं बहेगा and all, and now all of this suddenly have vanished. Why? Well, I don't know. But there is something I know, and I desperately want you to know regarding the revenue of India-Pakistan match. Former ICC head of media and communication had said that India-Pakistan match is all about maximizing eyeballs and tournament revenue. He continued saying, whenever the ICC plans a global event, the organizers do not care about any other factors or the rankings. They just care that there should be at least one match of India versus Pakistan. Over the last 2 decades, the ICC has changed the format of its tournament multiple times in order to ensure that India-Pakistan match should happen. The ICC in past has admitted to fixing tournament draws to ensure that the India and Pakistan should fall in the same group. And yes, guys, I was thinking the same thing, that how come the India-Pakistan match always happens on the Sunday, that too both the teams fall in the same group? I mean, this much of coincidence? Well, now you know the reason, right? Anyway, now friends, you might be thinking that here I am trying to say that no, India-Pakistan match should not happen, we should not play together, it is against the national interest, or I am trying to fill you with some kind of pseudo-hyper-nationalism. So let me tell you, no, that's not the point. The point is here that I want you to see the sheer hypocrisy of our government, of BCCI, of these big names, and also don't mind of the people too. Vani Kapoor faced a huge backlash for working with Fawad Khan in the film called Abir Gulal. The film was brutally boycotted, and now it is set to release on 12th of September 2025. Expect India. Similarly, Diljit Dosanjh faced a lot of trolling. He was brutally boycotted for working with Hania Amir in the film called Sardarji 3, addressing to which he also said that when I shot this film, everything was good between India and Pakistan, but now when the situation have worsened, of course, the film is not going to release in India, but I have to support my film outside the India because producers have invested the money. But still we kept calling him anti-national. Same Diljit Dosanjh, by the way, who is working on the front foot during the time of a deadly Punjab flood. So my question is, when the Diljit could be targeted, when the art and artist could be targeted, why players are being spared? Why the Indian government and even the Indian people keep attaching the idea of nationalism and patriotism to these cricket matches in the disguise of rivalry, that it is a versus match, we are going to win against them. They keep playing with our emotions and they generate revenue. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you ask me, without hesitating, I'm going to say that as we have boycotted those artists, we should definitely boycott this match too. No, it should not happen. And at last, I just wanted to say that हाँ खून पानी एक साथ नहीं बहेगा, the blood and water will not flow together, but when it comes to cricket match, सब चंगा सी, all is well, all is good. Anyway, with this I take your permission and I will definitely see you in the next video with something super important as usual without hesitating. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.